Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Beats Fit Pro and your phone. Place both earbuds in the case and connect the case to power. Keep them charging for 15 minutes to allow any firmware updates to install. Make sure each earbud shows at least 20% battery before you test noise cancellation. Take the earbuds out of the case and pair with your phone. Finally, press and hold the earbud stem for 5 seconds to cycle to noise cancellation mode. To activate active noise cancellation, wear both earbuds and press and hold one earbud stem for 5 seconds. You will hear a tone confirming the mode change. On iPhone or Android, open Bluetooth settings and select your Beats Fit Pro to pick noise cancellation. You can also choose transparency to let ambient sound through when needed. Toggle between modes whenever you need situational awareness or deeper isolation for effective noise cancellation. Get a secure seal using the correct ear tip size. Insert the earbud and twist slightly until you feel a snug fit and a good seal. If ANC seems weak, clean the mesh and charging contacts gently with a dry brush. If problems continue, reset the earbuds by placing them in the case and holding the case button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes. Finally, keep firmware up to date and monitor battery levels for consistent ANC performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.